guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Homemade Living. Today we are doing another YouTube tutorial on how to create an account on this website for freelance translators, where anybody who speaks two languages and can do translation work can work on this website and make some money from anywhere in the world. Without any delays, let me introduce the website for you. The website is called universaltranslationservices.com, which is in front of you. As you can see, this is what it looks like when you open it. Go to this place which says for translators, click on it for translators, and it will take you to another page where you can submit your application as a freelance translator. And once you're approved, you will be able to do translation works and work on projects on their platform. So once you click on it, it will take you to this page, and then you will find some details about the platform. This is the email, the recruitment email, which you can use to send your CV and your cover letter for them to approve you as a translator. Or you can fill up this form here with your details and send them your CV through this form, and once they receive it, they will reply you. It may take up to a week, sometimes less, sometimes more. Just apply through the form or through the recruitment email. Fill up the form, send your details, and wait for the response. Once they reply to you, they will ask you some other details about yourself as a translator, what certifications you have. You may not necessarily need a certification to work for them, but if you have one, it's better, much better. So they will give you more projects if you are a certified translator or a sworn translator. But if you are just able to translate, you have the ability to translate, and you master two languages or more, then you are also available. You are also able to join this platform. Anyway, so once they approve you, they will give you some details to join this software, which is here. As you can see, this is the software they use to work with their translators. Here it shows you the projects that you have taken and accepted to work on, and all the projects that you have finished. I have some projects here that I am working on currently. So it's very simple, very straightforward. Just submit your application and wait for their approval, and you are good to go and start making some money from anywhere in the world. Happy earning, happy work. Take care, guys, and see you in another tutorial about another website where you can work from anywhere in the world. See you guys.